Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Welcome back to maths class. Remove your page number 43 of your textbook. Remove page number 43 of your textbook Discovering Maths. Expanded form. Okay. When we expand or separate a number on the basis of place value, it is known as the expanded form. For example, okay, you know what we do. First we'll write their positions, okay, as we have done in the place value. Ones from the right side, first number will be your ones, second number will be tens, and third number will be your hundred. So simply what you have to do, see, 1 is on which place? 100. So write 100. Okay. Now 0. 0 is on tens place. So you have to write here 0 tens. Then 4 is on unit place. So you have to write here 4. So the number becomes 104. Here 0 is on tens position. That's why this will be 10. We can convert expanded form into standard form, and the number which is written here, this is known as standard form, and this is known as expanded form. Expanded form means you have to separate the number on the basis of place value. Okay. So let's see the second example. Here you have to convert, the expanded form is given to you and you have to write the standard form. Standard form मतलब आप जो simply number लिखते हो, जो आप फॉर्म में नंबर लिखते हो, that is known as standard form. और expanded form means जो separate करके ऐसा प्लस प्लस में होता है, that is known as expanded form. Now 100 plus 60 plus 7. So 101. So here also 1 on 100 place. 60 on tens means 6, and 7 is on ones place. So the number become 167. 167. Now you can see here the place value on the abacus and in the expanded form. Okay, so this is the simply number. This is the number which is in standard form. Okay, so first we are going to write here ones from the right side, first number, then tens, and then 100. Why we are writing again and again all these ones and tens and 100 to each and every number? Because it will be easy for everything. If you're writing place value, or you're doing abacus, you're doing drawing beads, or you're writing the number by seeing the abacus, or you're writing the expanded form, it will be easy. Now you can see here 9 is on which place? Ones. So simply you have to write 9 ones. 8 is on tens means 80. So place value of 8 will be 80. And 100 is on 5 is on 100 position. So 500. 500. 8 tens means 80. Okay. Now how you are going to do on draw on the beads? 5 is on 100 position. So 5 beads on 100 spike. 8 is on tens position. So 8 beads on 10 spike, and 9 beads on 10 spike. Okay. How you are going to write now the Expanded form, 5 is on 100 place, that's why 500, plus 8 is on tens place and its place value is 80. So 80 plus 9. Okay. All these things are interact with each other. Now you can see here on page number 44, write the expanded form of the following numbers. 167, ones, tens and 100. 6 is 1 is on 100 position. So write here 100 plus 6 on tens place. So 60 plus 7. Then 200 plus 10 plus 7. 400 plus 30 and plus 5. 800 plus 20 plus 9. 900 plus 30 and plus 8. You can pause and complete this. Now on page number 45, you can see here counting backward. You know counting backward 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is known as backward counting. But here it's in 3 digit. 400, 399, 398, 397, 396, 395, 394, 393, 392, 391 and so on till 351. Okay. So simply backward counting is here. So complete the following by counting backwards. So here 190 means 189 है ना. 189 के बाद 90 आ गया. 188, 187, 186, 185, 184, 183, 182 and 181. Okay. Now 350, 349, 348, 347, 346, 345, 344, 343, 342 and 341. 422, 421, 420, 419, 418, 417, 416, 415, 414 and 413. Then 698, 697, 696, 695, 694, 693, 693, 692, 691, 690 and 689. 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97 and 900, 698. Now 835, 834, 833, 832, 831, 830, 829, 828, 827, 826, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. Like this way you have to complete, pause it and complete it. Now turn the page, do an documents on page number 46. Get into pair, make 10 cards with a number from 0 to 9 written on each card. Pick out any 3 cards and arrange the numbers on them to form a smallest and the greatest 3-digit number. Make a record of the numbers made by you. Make a record of the numbers made by your friend. So what you have to do? You have to make 10 cards with a number from 0 to 9. आप चिट्स बनाओगे, चिट्स पे जीरोस, हर नंबर पे एक एक नंबर लिखोगे, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. ओके, एंड पिक अप that one by one. So you have to make smallest 3-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number. Pick out 3 cards, that is chits, and arrange the number on them to form the smallest and the greatest 3-digit number. Make a record of the numbers made by you. Make a record of the numbers made by your friends. Write numbers written on the cards picked by you. आपने जब 3 चिट्स उठाए तो उसके ऊपर कौन कौन से नंबर्स लिखे हुए थे? स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर यू मेड, फिर आपने उससे स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर आपने कौन सा बनाया? देन लार्जेस्ट 3-digit नंबर मेड बाय यू. ओके, आपने कौन कौन से नंबर्स पिक किए? स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर कौन सा बनाया और लार्जेस्ट 3-digit नंबर आपने कौन सा बनाया? ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट दिस. देन राइट द नंबर रिटन ऑन कार्ड्स पिक बाय योर फ्रेंड. सेम विथ योर फ्रेंड, स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर and the largest 3-digit number made by your friends. Okay, hope you have understood. Now remove your observation book. Remove your observation book, page number 35. Remove page number 35 of your observation book. Question number 9. Match the standard form of the number with its expanded form. On right side expanded form is given and on the left side standard form is given. So you have to match. This is your homework. Okay, so A 248. So where is 248? 200 plus 40 plus 8. Where is this on? A. So like this you have to match all the standard forms to the expanded form. Now turn the page. On page number 36, question number 10. Expand the given numbers and also write their number names. So this is also your homework. What you have to do, you have to expand this number. This number is in a standard form. So how you are going to expand it? First you are going to write ones, tens, 100 on the numbers and 1 is on 100. So 100 plus 1 is on tens position. So tens plus 1 is on ones place. And how you are going to write number name? 100, 100 and 11. 111. Okay, like this you have to complete this question number 10. Now on page number 37, question number 11, write the missing numbers by counting backward. As we have done in your textbook, in your observation book, you have to complete this one. Missing numbers by counting backward count करना है. 31, then 230, 229, 228, 227, 226, 225, 224, 223. Okay, like this you have to complete backward counting. This is your homework. For correction, if you are having any doubt that it's right or wrong, you can इधर से जाओ, पीछे से, आफ्टर राइटिंग 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31. Okay, like this way you can do the correction if any doubt is there. So question number 11 is there for your homework. Now see question number 12. The number of runs scored by Indian team against other countries in the World Cup 2011 are given below. Write the expanded form of these numbers. So just runs are given to you. Just this is your standard form. You have to write the expanded form. So simply 2 is on 100 position. So write 200 plus 6 on tens position, that's why 6, and 1 is on ones place, so therefore 1. Like this way you have to write the expanded form, and this is your homework. Now turn the page. On page number 38, question number 13, look at the number shown on the dice. Write the standard form of the number. Also write the expanded form. One has been done for you. So this is also your homework. You can see here 3 dice are there. Okay. So you have to see the number. Okay. So this dice 4 number. So write 4, then 3, then 1. So the number become 431. And how you are going to write the expanded form? 400 plus 30 plus 1. So this is your homework. You have to complete it. Write the standard form also and write the expanded form also. Now turn the page. Page number 40. Question number 14. Help the kitty cat find the milk by following the correct number order. Okay, you have to find the milk for this kitty by the numbers. Now 51, 52, 53, 54 is there, and now 59 started. तो 55 कहाँ गया? Okay, so you have to find out the proper order. 51, 52, 53, you can see here 54, 55, 56. Okay, this way you have to find out the proper order. Okay, you can see here 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, then 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Like this you have to show the path, show the way to the kitty to find out the milk. Now see here on page number 41, question number 15. This is also your homework. Question number 14. Now Sia, Ria and Rohan are friends. Their house numbers have the same 3 digits. These digits are 6, 7, 8. ओके, यहाँ पे 3 फ्रेंड्स है, सिया, रिया और रोहन। तीनों के घर के नंबर 3 डिजिट्स के हैं, 6, 7 और 8. कैन यू मेक ऑल द 6 नंबर्स दैट कैन बी मेड यूजिंग दीज 3 डिजिट नंबर्स. आपको ये नंबर से 6 नंबर्स बनाना है. ओके, कैन यू गेस द हाउस नंबर ऑफ सिया एंड रिया. और आपको रिया और सिया के हाउस नंबर्स गेस करना है. आप कैसा गेस करोगे? क्लूज क्या है? रिमेंबर देयर हाउस नंबर हैव द सेम डिजिट एट 100 प्लेस. तो दोनों का जो नंबर है, हाउस का नंबर, उनकी 100 की प्लेस दोनों की सेम है. एंड दैट डिजिट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट इन गिवन 3 डिजिट. और वो नंबर दिए, जो नंबर दिए हुआ है उसमें से स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है. ओके, तो दोनों का 100 पोजीशन का नंबर सेम रखो. वो भी कौन सा? जो सबसे स्मॉल है वो 100 की पोजीशन पे रखो. एंड चेंज द अदर 2 नंबर. सो यू विल गेट द रिया सियाज number. So like this way you have to complete this. This is also your homework. Question number 15. Now MCQ questions are there. Choose the correct option. The number for 899 is 899 is B1. So tick. What is the place value of 6 in the number of 386? इसमें 6 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? 6 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी? 6 ओनली. रिमूव पेज नंबर 42. MCQ क्वेश्चंस. द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5 इज 50 इन. 5 की प्लेस 50 कब होगी प्लेस वैल्यू? जब 5 नंबर 10th पोजीशन पे होगा. सो इट विल बी बी. Now what is expanded form of the number 980? So 900 plus 80 plus 0. The numeral form of 600 plus 7 tens plus 80 ones. So number becomes 678. 678. Now on page number 43, application is there to find 3-digit numbers around us and write their number names. Find out the 3-digit numbers around you. You may look for helpline numbers, house numbers, etc. सो रेलवे इंक्वायरी, अगर आपको रेलवे इंक्वायरी करना है तो हेल्पलाइन नंबर 139, दैट इज यू हैव टू राइट इन नंबर नेम. और आप ऐसे और भी इंक्वायरी नंबर्स ले सकते हो, या फिर कोई भी हेल्पलाइन नंबर्स लो, या फिर हाउस नंबर्स लो. ओके, राइट हियर इफ द हाउस नंबर इज देयर, राइट house number, write the number and write the number name. Okay, or you can write any हेल्पलाइन नंबर्स, और वो किसका नंबर है आप यहाँ लिखेंगे. राइट हियर नंबर एंड राइट द नंबर नेम. लाइक दिस यू हैव टू कंप्लीट. देन टर्न द पेज. हाउ मैनी नंबर्स वेर यू एबल टू फाइंड. आपको कितने नंबर्स मिले, दैट यू हैव टू राइट इन दिस बॉक्स. हु हेल्प यू इन फाइंडिंग दिस नंबर्स. आपको कौन हेल्प किया? मदर, फादर, ब्रदर, सिस्टर और एनीवन एल्स. आई फाउंड द नंबर्स फ्रॉम. आपको ये नंबर्स कहाँ से मिले? रेलवे टाइम टेबल से, इंटरनेट से, या फिर अदर सोर्स, जहाँ से भी आपने नंबर्स फाइंड आउट किया. टिक दैट वन. फाइंड वन मोर एग्जाम्पल अदर देन हेल्पलाइन नंबर वेयर यू कैन फाइंड 3-digit number. Document the data in the given space. How did you feel? You had fun? I learned more about 3-digit numbers. I would love to do more such applications. You have completed in how many days? You have to write that. Now on question number 45, sorry, page number 45, objective to develop the higher order thinking skill by making puzzle. Create a puzzle to form 3-digit number and ask your friend to solve it. Guess who am I? I have 8 at 100 place. The digit at 10 place is the highest one digit number and 1 place has the smallest one digit number. तो आपको ऐसा पजल बनाना है और आपके फ्रेंड को पूछना है. ओके, so this is your, so like this one example is there. Make another puzzle. Now turn the page on page number 46. और वो नहीं करना है आपको तो यू मे ड्रॉ योर पजल इन कॉमिक फॉर्म एंड एक्सचेंज विथ योर फ्रेंड. आप ऐसा कॉमिक फॉर्म में भी बना सकते हो. स्मॉलेस्ट वन डिजिट नंबर, हाईएस्ट वन डिजिट नंबर और यहाँ पे 100 की प्लेस पे विच नंबर. ओके, so like this also you can make a puzzle in comic form or simply you can make like this as given in the example. So like this we have completed our chapter number 3, that is numbers from 100 to 999. Hope you have understood. Complete your homework correctly. Keep your book neat and clean. Thank you.